Hello, welcome to CCMP, and today we're gonna have a tutorial on how to generate auto captions or subtitle in your videos. Yeah, let's go.
Head on to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for this app in Shorts. In Shorts. Okay, so this is the app, video editor and maker in Shorts. Then tap on it and download it. But if you already have the app on your phone, this open option on my will change to update, then update it. Then after everything, after downloading and updating, tap the open option here. Click on videos and then click this plus icon here to add the video you want to create an auto caption or a subtitle on. So I'll click the video and click good. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, so without wasting any time, just head on to this option, text, and then you see an option written here, captions. Just click on it and click start. The caption created. So because I'm in a pro version of InShot, I'm not gonna watch any ads to create this auto caption. But in case you are using the free InShot app without the pro version of it, then you need to watch a 15 seconds ad in order to unlock these captions. So after watching it, you can see the caption is already good. Let's preview it a little. You can see the captions. So in case you feel like the captions are a little bit smaller, or it's going to stress your audience to be able to see it, you can just customize it. Or if you feel like the auto captions, some of the words there are not correct, you can just tap this edit button and edit anyone that is not correct. But for me, all the auto captions here are correct, no mistake, so I'll just leave the editing. So to customize it to look more realistic, just tap any of the auto captions and then click on edit, then tap on this AA icon here. This icon here is for the fonts you want to use on the captions. I can choose any of the fonts I like, but I'll prefer the one that was on it before. Okay, so to customize it a little bit, you can just tap this icon here. Okay, then customize it by adding a border. Let's add a border. Okay, add shadow. Okay, and then click good. Okay, so let's increase the auto captions a bit bigger so that it won't look very tiny to the audience. So let's increase it a little bit. I think this is okay. So you can also adjust it if you want it to go up like this or down, depending on the position you want it to be. So but I'll prefer this position. Alright, so that is it. After everything, just tap this button, good. Then you can preview it a little bit before saving it.
So our first question for today is,
okay,
what is your net worth?
So to save, just tap this save icon above. and then you can choose the resolution, the frame rate, and the format you want it to be. But I will recommend 720 for smaller Android phones, okay? But 1080p give you the best resolution for your video. So after every setting, just tap the save icon, and then it will save within few seconds without wasting any time. Okay, it has been saved. Your result will
our
look
first
like
question for today
this.
is, what is your net worth?
Is it?
Your net worth, your net worth.
What is my net
You can see
worth?
the
Yeah, like
auto
how much does
captions.
Jota make?
Okay, so this is how to create an auto captions or subtitles on your videos using InShot.
And if you have any question, you can put it down in the comment section so that we attend to it. Please do well to tap the subscription button and then turn on the notification so that you get notified anytime we post another video.
And if you're watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to
Share this video so that others can benefit from it.
and then tap the follow button on our Facebook page.
See you next time.